Hello everybody and welcome to my video on how to remove the background of your image. My name is Carl Sorensen from financialfreedomacademics.com, and in this video I will show you exactly how to remove the background for free, super fast and without any equipment. So the problem is nowadays when YouTube ranks for people with high engagement, you need a high click-through rate on your videos. So when you go to the video or when you type into the search bar how to make money online, the top videos all have big vector bodies inside their thumbnails, and that's what YouTube really loves. Also, when you go to my YouTube channel, you will see I always have our vector body inside my thumbnails, and I struggled with this for a long time because I paid freelancer to remove the background. I bought myself a green screen and everything, but it's so easy to do, super fast, super free, no equipment. I will tell you everything you need to do inside this video. Also make sure to stay till the end of this video because I have a super powerful hack to get more views and higher rankings for your videos inside YouTube. More about this after the intro. Before we go to the actual method on how to remove the background of your image, of your picture for free with only one click, I wanted to give a quick shout out. Like, my mission at Financial Freedom Academics is to guide you along the path to financial freedom by creating methods, passive income streams online. And I've created a training where I teach you everything I applied and learned the last years, and everything that's really working, like when it comes to making massive income online. So I will teach you everything inside my free training. The link is below this video, and you will be glad you joined because this is full of high valuable content. Also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more valuable content, hit the notification bell, and if you have any question along this video, make sure to comment it or post it in the comment section below this video, and I'm happy to answer all your questions. So let's start with the method to remove your background. First of all, how do you make those pictures? You can just use your webcam, go to pixset.com, click on use camera, and you can use your webcam to create those images of your body. Like, it's super easy to do, and you can have a timer. Obviously I cannot do it right now because I'm filming this video, but you just click on use camera, take the timer, make the picture, download it, and then you go to the next page, remove.bg, and you click on upload image. And that's exactly what we want to do here. You want to upload your image, and that's the image I created. And that's originally the only thing you have to do. That's the one click you have to do, is to click on remove background, and it will look like that, and that looks fantastic. In the past I used so many freelancers, I spent so much money for people that remove the background, and when I see this, it's ridiculous that they took money from me to create this. You only need to click on remove background and download it, and you're good to go. That's everything. But now I want to show you my extra tip I've promised you to get more views and to get more engagement to your videos and to get a higher ranking for your videos, because YouTube loves engagement. So what I suggest to do, let's go to youtube.com, and let's say you want to create let's say you want to create a video around remove background on an image, and then you will see those 3 images, and that's the inspiration. Those thumbnails are very good. That's what YouTube loves. Like, you now have your vector body and you can do the same. Just go to usecanva.com. There's also a link below this, it's free. Just go to canva.com, click on YouTube thumbnail. Super easy to do, and adapt the #1 thumbnail you found for your keyword. The next thing you want to do is you open the link, and then you go to Morningfame. There's a link below. It's free for 1 month, and I think it's $6. And there you get my innovation code for like a free trial for 1 month. It's very, very good. What you want to do is go to keyword research. Then you go to you took the video link. You go to you watch the video that inspired you, and the goal here is to find a keyword to rank for. You have common keywords for larger channels and for smaller channels. So as I want to grow my channel massively now, I will go to the smaller channels. So what I found here, how to make an image background transparent. And you also get the tags and hashtags and everything you need to know. So I want to rank for this keyword. I will go to step number 3. I will see how to what ranks here, so I can make a quick study. Very powerful stuff. And then I just go to step number 4, and here Morningfame will tell me everything I need to do to rank high. So it will show me the title, it has to create attention, and it has to be like the keyword. It will tell me everything I have to do in this description. It will tell you the text I have to use. They create me the pinned comment. It take me the thumbnails I want to use. So super powerful. It's free. Yeah, like just go for the invitation code is below this video, and that's what you want to do. You want to adapt the number 1 thumbnail, find a keyword to rank for with Morningfame, and then YouTube is like a career. You start ranking for the small, the keywords with long-tail keywords with smaller competition. Then you go for this one if you have more authority engagement on your YouTube channel. Very powerful stuff. So make sure to apply this. Now you know my strategy on how to create those high-quality vector bodies for free and in seconds. Also, you know how to spy your competition and get the keywords you need to create high-ranking videos and get people to view this content. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, just make sure to post them inside or below in the comment section. Also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more valuable content. Hit the notification bell and make sure to subscribe to my super valuable and free training. I hope you like this video. Hit me a like button. All the best, Carl.